in today's video we are quickly going to show ourselves how we can change our full video background, how we can change it using Kinemaster to change your video background, the full version of it. So in today's I'm going to treat us and I'm going to show us how we can add green screen or without green screen, so whatever you wish to add into it. So let's go. If you are interested in it, kindly sit and let's go right now. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Christina Felix. You are seeing Christina Felix on the show again. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you, and thank you so far for my recommendation yesterday. A lot of people gave me a lot of recommendation and a lot of good job yesterday. Thumbs up. Thank you so much guys concerning my background. Like wow, it's so amazing. I'm blushing. So thank you so much guys. They said they really love it, so that is why I'm coming today. So let me quickly drop something for you guys so you can make use of it. Also, I want us to grow together, as I do said, and as I do tell you, this channel is all about growing you, growing we, growing us, and let's follow ourselves all together. Keep watching this video, don't skip any of my video. Any question that you want, any question, just come here, just type it on my playlist. You will get the answer right away. And if you've not get the answer, kindly message me or go to any of my social network. You'll find my handles there and message me right away. I'm your own purpose and I will answer you. I'll give you a nice answer. Some of my audience asked this yesterday and I said let me quickly drop it for them. So thanks for watching every time. So don't forget, if you've not subscribed, kindly see it right here, the red button written subscription. Kindly press it. Thumbs up for this host, he's doing an amazing job, and drop your comment there so let me see your beautiful face, so and I can love you too. I can go to your house to visit you and I can be a full family of yours. So please kindly do that. And if you don't know how to insert the subscription box, go right away down below this video, the video next to this video. You will find the good and full explanation there, how you can use it to make it, how you can make it with Canva, how you can make the subscription button with even your InShot. Like wow, InShot, yeah, your InShot can actually do that. So, and how you can get it all the way from Google. So thank you so much. So let's go straight into our today's video. So today's video we are going to talk about Kinemaster. Kinemaster is a full version, is a pro and a good editing apps for Android. Yeah, it's like we have iOS also, and Apple, I don't know, I'm not that sure, but I thought we have it in all areas, even the desktop. So it's very nice. It's a good pro version for beginners that you can film and edit like a professional. You can use it directly to do your filming. You can film with your Kinemaster directly, so you can even edit it. You can change your background, you can make your thumbnails from there, you can make your logo, you can make your intro from right away from your Kinemaster. So let's get into it now. Alright guys, you go to your Play Store. If you are using your Android, go to your Play Store, just type Kinemaster. This is the spellings, and this right here is the logo. And even if you are using your PC also, you can download it all the way from Google. But as for me, I prefer like all this phone version stuff. Is more or less, it's very nice and it's very good and fast, and you can easily understand it. So I'm going to show us all these ones firstly. So let me use it to explain to us before we start our editing. And if you are still a mobile user, you are lucky. Kindly stay with this channel. You can get a lot of tips from this channel, and it will boost you, and it will also helps you a lot, because this channel are basically on the based on phone. Yeah, anything on phone that you can use your phone as a professional. You can see this is where we are going to. That is a Chroma Key there. That is how Kinemaster works. Kinemaster is actually a professional app on Android. on the PS also on ISO, so it depends on where you are gonna use it. It's a professional app that you can use to film and edit like a professional. So let's get into it, and you open it. Once you've downloaded it, you open it. This is how it will open. I'm using it before, that is why it's coming like this. So if you are not using it before, so it will just open this area, only this area, this Kinemaster, create, edit and share. That is how it will open. So right now we are going to click on the big one, the middle, the plus one. It will come like this, and you are going to pick your size. This is the ratio of what you are going to do. So but we will base on whitey, and whitey is 16:9, so we're gonna pick the size. Once we pick the size, you go to it will lead you to all this. We have background, varieties, cloud store, storage, and we have our storage. So this one is the background. If you want to choose a background, this one is a cloud, and this one it has already picked your own storage, maybe your Bluetooth or wherever you pick you store your video. So today guys, we are going to change our background. So firstly, once you come in like that, so you pick your background, you click on your background and you choose, these are the background varieties of backgrounds that we have, and you choose any one of your choice, any one that you like, but try to make it, at least let it blend with the previous background, that the video one, the background that you've used on the video. I mean the background of the video that you've already done. Maybe it's blue, or maybe it's green, or maybe it's white. If it is white, try to blend it with white. If it is green, try to blend it with green background. You choose another green. And if it is blue, try to blend it with blue. So now we are going to pick this one, because my previous background is blue, so I'm going to show us with the one I used yesterday, so for you to know that it's real, for you to know what I'm doing. So you pick any of the background that you want, anyone that you want to use out of it. Okay, coming. So you pick the one that you wish to use out of it, and you come right here down, you click on it. This is the background we are going to use inside your video, so you click on it here, right here. I hope you guys can see me clearly. So you try to expand it to the size of the video you have already made. You try to expand it to the size of the video you've already made. As you can see what I'm doing right away, so I don't want to make too much of it for us to make it fast. So I'm done with the expansion of my video. Try to make it, even if it is 20 minutes, 25 minutes, so any size, any length of your video, so you are gonna expand it. So we are done with the expansion, and you click right here, okay. So you click okay, and you come to this layer. We have layer, we have media, we have audio and record. You can use it to record directly. This is your media. If you pick this one, that means you are not going to use background, you are just going for edit. But we are going to use background, so you go to layer, another layer, we have another media. Inside the layer we have effect, sticker, we have text and handwriting. So you go to the media inside the layer, I mean inside the layer, don't pick the one outside. So let's go and pick our video. Where is our video? So once we pick our video, so you click it right away. Okay, assuming this is the background, this is the one I want to change the background. This is what I want to change the background. You can see my previous background is blue, and so far it's a little bit blend, and I pick blue also to change my background. So you try to expand it a bit for you to, but don't cover it all. So just try to give a little space here, so it can blend very well. You do it the way I've done it. Just follow the step by step how I'm doing it right now. If you cover it all, your background won't change. So right now we have a lot of function. We have in animation, over animation, out, chroma key, cropping, fashion, something like that. So we can crop if you want to crop your video. If you don't really need to crop it, so it's fine by you. So but as for me, I'll crop it a little bit. I'll just crop that door out of it. So colors. So I've cropped it right now again. So you click on it again. This is where we are going to, where it will change. So you click on your chroma key. Yeah, you enable your chroma key. So you click on your chroma key, and you enable your chroma key. Automatically it will change, as you can see how it is right now. So you've able it, and you'll come to this place, this adjustments. This is you, and this is your background. This is your background, this is you, sorry. So you try to blend the numbers together, or you just try and adjust it. So let's just try and adjust it to you try to adjust it until you get the full fashion, until you get the full color and the full contrast of it. Don't allow the background to cover you. Don't allow the background to cover your body. Don't allow the background to cover your hair. Don't allow the background to cover your face, as you can see. So it has already blended with what I have. And if it does not blend, come to this place. We have a key color. Maybe your key color is not correct with the color you've already made. This is my key color. What is the meaning of the key color? The key color is the color of your previous, of your video, already made video, the video you've made that you want to edit. That is the color. So if it is black or it is another color, it won't change. So that is how you will just do it. We are done with that, and you click OK. So right now we've edit our video. That is how it is. And if your video didn't start accurate with the background, it may little bit affect it. For example, look at me now. So it can a little bit, you can see a little bit affected. So try to mix your clip, let your clip blend be at the same line. You can see this line, that my clip and my background is at the same line. So that is just a simple way how we can change a full version of our video background on Kinemaster. So let me just play it for you to see what I'm saying. It doesn't override anything.
To video editing, like the apps that we're supposed to have on our phone as our beginners, and I'm going to show us the uses, and I'm going to show us little about the phrase before we enter into the video. So I would like to make to use this video like an episode.
Okay guys, what I'm actually saying here is that I wanted to work on it before, but I want to use it one after the other, like episode, as I said. But immediately I dropped that video yesterday, my audience asked a question and I have to answer them right away. So that is what I'm doing today, and that is what I've already done for you right now. So how do you edit your video, and which app do you use? I want to get the answer from you at the comment section if you really have interest on it, and if you want us to go to full video and filming editing with your mobile, only with your mobile, guys. Remember, Christopher stay this channel with only mobile, not mobile. You can also apply it on your PS and your iOS. Yeah, iOS and mobile is the same thing, and on your desktop, but mostly on mobile. Most of my fashion is on mobile. So thank you so much for enjoying today's video. I hope you've gained one or two things on today. So drop it at the comment section. Our next topic. See you tomorrow. Bye.